Hi IT lovers of my classes, welcome to WebEdit in VS Code and programmits.com. We have already practiced Python so much. I hope you remember, or else I invite you to watch my previous IT tutorials. For example, last week we happy coded some examples of unpacking. We unpacked a list, a tuple, a dictionary, a starred expression, and we started a book promotion project. And we finished also our 5 parts of Linux basis practice on billiard.org and Termux app on the cell phone. Today we will finish our Python project, and thank God again I'm about to tell you the same thing in German and French. Now in German, hallo IT-Liebhaber meiner Kurse. Willkommen bei Web Editing in VS Code und programmits.com. Wir haben Python schon so viel geübt. Ich hoffe, Sie erinnern sich daran oder Sie dürfen alle meine vorherigen Python-Tutorials ruhig nochmals anschauen. Letzte Woche haben wir einige Beispiele für das Unpacking geübt. Wir haben eine Liste, eine Tuple, ein Dictionary, einen Ausdruck entpackt. Unpacking in Englisch. Wir haben auch ein Buchpromotion-Projekt gestartet und wir haben unsere 5 Teile der Linux-Praxis Basis auf billiard.org und Termux App auf dem Handy abgeschlossen. Heute beenden wir auch unser Python-Projekt. Und Gott sei Dank sage ich euch gerade dasselbe auf Französisch. Je fais un coucou à tous ceux qui apprécient mes cours d'informatique en ligne. Bienvenue à l'édition web dans VS Code et programmist.com. Nous avons déjà tellement pratiqué Python, j'espère que vous vous en souvenez, ou alors je vous invite à regarder mes tutoriels précédents. Par exemple, la semaine dernière, nous avons codé quelques exemples de déballage, unpacking en anglais. Nous avons déballé une liste, un tuple, dictionary, une expression. Et nous avons commencé un projet de la promotion de mes livres. Nous avons aussi terminé nos 5 parties de la pratique de Linux, les bases, sur le site billiard.org et l'application Termux sur le téléphone portable. Aujourd'hui, nous allons terminer notre projet Python dans VS Code. All right, now let's just do it. We had started it on, I think, on VS Code, and then we moved on in Python. This is exactly where we stopped last time, and I'm going to take all of this and go back with it in Python in VS Code. Control A, and we're going to Control Exit. We go back here and we get rid of all the greetings for now. And we stick it all here. And of course, right now we have a mistake because we are not finished with the else. Let's move on right now. So after the else, we are going to print a feed form first, print. Then we're going to do that F. And here I want to get a thank you. Let's do it like this. We want the name here. And let's get an exclamation mark right here. I'm gonna your subscription to our newsletter is confirmed. And yes, I think that's good. And of course, we have to care about the indentation here in Python. Is very, very important. Now we want to insert a comment. We're going to call it book order preference. Yes, like this. And now we want to print again. Let's print It's going to be almost the same content as above, so I'm going to take it. Would you like to order any of our book? And here we're going to get an order choice down here at the same line. Order choice equal it's going to be an input again. Input, and here I want to let me put type yes or no if you want a book or not. Yes or no. This is what we want here. And of course we have to make sure we get the column inside and some space so people can answer. So this is how it looks like. Right after that we want an if statement again, so it's going to be a if order choice dot lower. We want lower. And what are we going to do here? It's going to be the same thing, equal yes, just in case. We make sure we get the column here behind, and after that we just get the book title. Book title, it's going to be first we have to define it, make sure we define, and it's going to be again here an input with enter the title of the book you'd like to order, just like that. And two columns, and we make some space so they can answer. And right after that we want to print, just in case it's a good news, print if they want a book, it's something good. So I'm going to get a feed form here, and I'm going to write great choice, and then we want the name again, like this. And I'm going to add can I add here comma, your order of and here no for, yes, good English, your order for, and here we want the book title, book title, and we're gonna get has been noted. So after that we're gonna let's notify about the newsletter, for instance. So we're gonna do that right here. Let me add a comment here first. I'm gonna call it notify about newsletter. That's it. And here we're gonna call it also notify choice. Again, that's a good word. Here again an input, and inside we're gonna get a next line. I want a next line. And do you want to receive a notification? Notification. Did I forget anything up here? Oh yes, I forgot the double quotations. That's important. Receive notification. Let me finish the sentence with about new releases and updates. I'm gonna put it just like this, and I close. After that, let's type again, let's put it in the same brackets, type yes or no. I'm going to get it here. It's going to be a long sentence, but type, it's put it like this, yes. And we're gonna get again, oh no, it's better like this. So let me go back to the top and make sure it's starting at line 1. I like it when it starts at line 1, just like that, and we move on. Okay, if notification, yes, notification, choice dot lower again, we want to make it again equal to yes first, and we close with the column. Here we want to print. Let's print first. Here I'm going to get a fantastic and the name again, and I'm going to get receive notifications about the same thing, our latest, this time, releases and updates. Yes, I think that's good like this. That's it. And then we need another if, just in case I don't want to receive any notification. So we have to write pretty much the same thing. I'm going to just take that here and copy it, Control C, and then I just change the content, Control V, and here we're going to get a no, just in case I say no. And here we will just add of course I'm not going to say fantastic if they don't want the notification. I'm going to say okay. Let me get just okay. Okay, the name is still good. You will not, I'm going to get a note here. You will not receive notifications about our latest releases and updates. Pretty much the same as, above. Okay, so we move on, we finish. It's going to finish with this very popular if name double underscore each time, and here we want some colon, and we gotta make sure we put the double quotation at the right place, and this is where we want to insert our main. This if name main is important. Just do this, do this for your Python files. Practice it, try to understand it. It's very important. After that, we have to add the column, and we're good. Now I just want my subscriber form. So subscriber form like this, and we are good. This is our code of the project, so we can go and test it right now. So here, of course, I have my file right here, and we go down here, we stay by bash terminal, and we're going to get it down here, and we can now enter. Okay, I'm going to make it a little more up so we can see exactly the output, what we have to do. Now that we're good, welcome to our newsletter subscription form. Enter your name. Let's say Julia wants to subscribe. We hit enter. Enter phone number. Let's get a 0081. Okay, like this, just a random number. Would you like to make a donation to support our newsletter? So here I get a yes. Enter. Enter the donation amount. This one I did put it in Swiss francs, but you can put it in dollar or the currency of your country. Here I'm going to get let's say a 40. How about that? Enter, and then thank you, Julia. Your donation of $40. Here it's dollar. But here it was Swiss franc, so it's shipping well. $40. I have to go maybe up there and change something again. $40 is much appreciated. Would you like to order any of our books? Okay, I'm talking about my books. And let's say Julia says yes. So I enter the title of the book you'd like to order. She can, for instance, want to order the Thank You, Lord. I'm on praise. Enter. And then, as I said up there, while I was typing my code, great choice, Julia. Your order for Thank You, Lord has been noted. You see, it took the name because it's important to get the name right here. Do you want to receive notifications about new releases and updates? Type yes or no. Well, let's say she says yes, of course. And then the output is going to be fantastic, Julia. You will receive notifications about our latest releases and updates. This is my book project. And now, of course, I want to try the version where somebody's going to say no everywhere just to check if my second notified choice is working. Okay, so let's do it again. So here I'm gonna clear. No, I don't need to clear. I'm gonna just arrow up to get my file name back. I saw that one on a tutorial. Somebody else's tutorial gave me the trick. I don't have to copy paste it all the time. I can just press the arrow up and it's back. Now we can enter. Okay, now we go back to that. I hope you can see down here. Maybe I should have cleared a little bit. Put the name of a man this time. I'm gonna get a Peter inside. How about Peter? Peter wants to subscribe. Enter your email address. Yes, that was email address, by the way. Yes, I'm gonna put just Peter at example.com, just like this. Enter. Phone number 002. Just put some random number right here. Enter. Now, would you like to make a donation to support our newsletter? Let's say Peter doesn't want. He says no. Okay, enter. Would you like to order any of our books? Let's say Peter says no. Enter. Do you want to receive notifications about the new releases and updates? Type yes or no. Let's say Peter says no everywhere. So here the output is going to be indeed, okay, Peter, you will not receive notifications about my latest releases and updates, but it's ours actually. Let me go up there and correct it, the little mistakes we can make. As you can see right here, it's not my, it's our. You see, it's going to give you exactly what you give in. Okay. Other than that, it's perfect. We can do it again, but it's perfect. As you can see, it's working. This is my project. This is when the subscriber or the wannabe subscriber tells you yes for everything. The case was a subscriber who says no for notifications and no for donations and no for book orders. All right. The goal, of course, is that you get to do your own project. This is how you create a project in Python. It's important to type because, you learn to code by coding. Okay. I hope you liked it. If you have any questions, feedbacks, visions, just let me know. I'll show it to you again just in case you want to copy. Okay. All right. I hope you liked it. Right, that's enough for today with Python again, and the rest is coming next if God's willing. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.